So we're going to take you into one of the most embarrassing parts of our house. So we've got to do this massive cleanup in here. So we figure if we're doing that cleanup, we might as well finally fix some of the problems that we've had the entire time that we've lived here. Stuff has gotten stacked everywhere.
Yeah, you see some water damage.
Yeah, some of the boxes that we had stuff in have gotten damaged. One more shelf to set up in here, and then that's all the ones I have on hand. The others are in shipping, so hopefully they arrive tomorrow like they're supposed to, because we have more shelves that are going along that wall. And that's what I meant by doubling the facing, is we'll end up with the same amount of shelving on the two walls as far as depth as we had with the original wood shelves, but yet we'll have twice as much space that you can look at. You do not have to put things behind. So anyway, I'll get this last shelf put together and probably call it a day unless we start moving stuff in. Shelves that are supposed to go on this wall still are lost somewhere in transit, so we're trying to pull that stuff out and separate it so that once those get here we can get them loaded up, but it's not stopping us from making headway on the other stuff. Look at how good it's looking. And then that's where those other shelves will go when they ever show up. Well, 2 of the 3 finally showed up. I am still missing one shelf that'll go right here. So hopefully it shows up soon. So I'll get started on loading those in, and we're getting close on this project and it's working out awesome. to come down here and grab some stuff out of the food storage room. And so I wanted to take a minute and close out the video that we've been working on, the part 2. This shelf behind me finally came in a week later than the latest estimated date. Amazon actually ended up reshipping it. We've been working with this as a functioning room for about a week now. And even my kids, when we ask them to go down and grab something, they're like, sure, I actually know where the stuff is and I can get to it now. So everyone is enjoying how much better it is. I'll just pan a little bit and you can see just how much more organized the stuff is. We've got potatoes. Oh, I've got cats in here with me. They decided to come explore. We've got potatoes that we got from a local farm that we're going to be doing some projects with. Thanks for watching, and we'll be putting up our tour where I'll go through shelf by shelf. See you next time.